In the past few weeks, NOTcoin has become one of the top trending subjects in the crypto universe. This simple clicker game is getting a lot of attention for its addictive nature and its promise of rewards with real-world value. Is it worth your time to play NOTcoin? Or is the project just behind another meme coin that's likely to be forgotten about in a few days? This video will be a guide to help you learn all about what NOTcoin stands for and to see how this game works. But before we continue, kindly hit that like button to help us stimulate the algorithm and subscribe to the channel. We have amazing content for you. So what is NOTcoin? NOTcoin is a viral clicker game inside of the Telegram messaging app. Its users can earn tokens that will eventually be converted into crypto tokens with real-world value. And people are actually going brazen over that as of today. Furthermore, in addition to hosting the NOTcoin game, the TON blockchain is also home to a variety of DeFi apps, games, NFTs, and other Web3 projects. We have a video on TON blockchain. Take a moment to watch it right after this video. Now, what does NOTcoin aim to achieve? NOTcoin co-founder Sasha Plotvinov describes it as an experiment in token distribution. Fact is, many new cryptos struggle to get their tokens to actual community members because most new tokens end up being purchased by institutional investors. However, NOTcoin hopes that its method of gamifying token distribution will provide a more fair and direct way of obtaining tokens. Since tokens are only available to people who play within the app, Plotvinov hopes that the project can reward TON Foundation members in a fun manner. The other goal of the NOTcoin crypto project is to simplify the launch of its crypto system. Plotvinov feels that many airdrops are manipulated by crypto whales and social media influencers. The NOTcoin team aims to avoid getting caught up in the pattern of marketing cycles, creating elaborate closed beta systems, chasing investors and promising huge features. They operate with a "what you see is what you get" motto. Plotvinov hopes that this will prevent price manipulation and avoid making the launch overly complex. How does NOTcoin work? People can access NOTcoin by downloading and opening the Telegram messaging app. The clicker game lets you earn tokens by performing simple tasks and tapping on the coin icon. Each tap results in one NOTcoin being added to your account. As you tap, your energy limit depletes. However, the energy limits will refill during times when you're not tapping. NOTcoin gives players 6 free boosts each day that can supercharge their tapping abilities and refill their energy limits. Or players can spend in-game coins to get paid boosts. There's no way to pay for energy limit boosts with real-world currency, so only NOTcoin players can purchase perks. Telegram premium users can get some extra advantages such as bonus token earnings. Players who earn a lot of digital currency can get into various ranks, such as silver or platinum. Now let's discuss the tokenomics. NOTcoin plans on turning its in-game currency into crypto tokens called NOT. Instead of turning one NOTcoin into one NOT token, the project will adjust the exchange rate based on how many users end up mining NOTcoin. The exact conversion rate hasn't been shared with the public yet as of the time I am doing this video. But looking at the all-round activities and utilities of the NOTcoin, I think it can be something good, not great because a lot will depend on the maximum supply. But it will have an advantage of the great community being built by the TON blockchain. However, how long it can sustain its community stimulation will depend on how they scale their product from their token launch. Finally, I am happy, or let's say excited, about the TON blockchain and the clicker game. I have been a great advocate of bringing Web3 to people with zero deep knowledge of technology, through different modes. And this here with Telegram and Telegram game is a good step going forward. Like I always say, the best form of adoption is more adoption. I am still waiting to hear from Discord regarding their own blockchain. Guys, let me know what you think about NOTcoin in the comments section. So, if you have watched this video to the end, please drop a NOTcoin comment in the comments section. I might have something for you in the future.
Alright guys, give this video a thumbs up if you learned something new. Share and subscribe to encourage the work that we do. Don't forget to check the description below for our Telegram channel link, where we would be sharing fascinating crypto information. Till I see you again, stay curious and keep learning.